Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use RefWorks. It's a reference management tool that's paid for by the university for access to all students, faculty, and staff. Okay, so on the library homepage, which is library.atu.edu, you see the main page here. On the left-hand side is Research Tools. We're going to go to RefWorks, and what you'll do is go to Create Account, and you want to use your tech email address, B, a password that you will remember because it's not connected to your tech username and password, just the email. And I'm going to click on it because I already have an account and it's open already. So what it does is it saves all of the resources that I collect through the library website, the internet, things may have saved earlier. So let me show you. I'll show you how it works first, how these all got in here. So we're using Find It. I'm going to do antibiotics and resistance. Search. I'm going to look for an article, probably just pick the first one. Okay, here we go. Click on the title, and that brings up the record of the item. And here, where it says View Online, are all the databases that it's available in. Okay, so I'm going to click on the first one, ProQuest Central. ProQuest is one of the larger database companies, so you'll see this interface quite a bit. There's also a company called EBSCO, whose interface you'll see quite a bit as well. Okay, so here is the information, the details about the article. Okay, I'm going to click, I want to see the PDF. Click on that. Okay, here it is. Great, I want this article. So in this, I don't need to download it. I don't need to email it or print it. I'm going to click all options here. And I want to export the citation. So I'm going to choose RefWorks. It's right there. And continue. Yes, export to the newest version of RefWorks, because that's what you will be creating an account in. Okay, import complete. And voila, it's right there. Okay, so let's say you want to save something from the internet. Here's what you do. You see this toolbar, it's got all these bookmarks in it. If your bookmark bar is not showing, you click on the dots in the right hand corner of your browser. I'm using Chrome, and say bookmarks, show bookmarks bar. So that is how you make the bookmark bar appear. Alright, so now what we want to do is put a Save to RefWorks button in that bar. You'll see I've got one right there, but I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so Tools, and Tools again. And the very first one is Install Save to RefWorks. Click on that button and drag and drop into the bar. So see how it goes from this no symbol to a plus sign when I hit the bar? That's where it goes. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to do a Google search for coronavirus. And I am going to look for a government site. There's one, the cdc.gov, because they're more likely trustworthy. And I want to save this site on the coronavirus. So I'm going to click on my Save to RefWorks button, and it says it's a web page, Save to RefWorks. View in RefWorks. And it should be there. There it is. Okay, so now that you have all these resources in here, why do you want to do this? Why do you care if they're all in one place? Well, create bibliography, create bibliography again. I have mine set to APA 7th. So you'll see it's in the alphabetical order. I don't think it's completely updated, so I'm going to choose 6th because I don't think the casing is right just yet since they just turned over to the 7th edition. Okay, so here they are in alphabetical order with the hanging indent, the proper casing, italics where it belongs, everything formatted. Now this is not the be all and end all of your citation list, which is called a references list in APA, which is what we use in this course. So this is all ready to copy to a clipboard and paste into Word. And you can make your changes there. If you have a lot of references and you want them correct to begin with, you can go back to your last imported, click on it, and you can edit the information right here. Like, for example, if you wanted to put the title of the page, say it wasn't there, you want to make it just coronavirus, and save. There you go. Also, what you find is a link that takes you right back to the website or to the source. So it acts as a way to make citations, create citations, and it acts as a bookmarking tool so that you don't have papers all over the place. You know, in a flash drive that you may leave somewhere, and Google Docs that it can be disorganized when you first log in, or a computer that you may not have access to all the time. It may not be with you all the time. This is web-based and it can be accessed from any computer by logging into your account. You can also, if you have items on your computer that you want to add, excuse me, or if you have a PDF that is having a hard, sometimes you need to download the PDF and then do this, drag and drop into RefWorks. I'm going to show you. So it goes drop files here. And so I've just added that